$30,000 is what this accountant cost the client with one simple mistake. So the client comes through Instagram, and I always run a health check before working with someone just to see if I can add any value off the bat and get us off to a good start. Anyway, so this company had been profitable for many years and it's paid its fair share of tax along the way, but the last year was a tough one and they reported a pretty big loss. And this is where I think the accountant dropped the ball and probably got a bit too comfortable doing what they've always done. And one of those things was they continued to pay the director, the owner, a wage which only made that loss worse. And as we know, with wages comes the usual taxes, super, and all the other on costs. Cash, in my view, that never really needed to leave the business. And the fix was simple: continue to pay the director, but through a dividend instead. And a lot of business owners out there don't realize that dividends is sometimes an option. And in this case, paying the director through a dividend would have avoided all the taxes to do with the wages and the on costs, and it would have carried 25% credit. In other words, tax that has already been paid on it. Instead, the tax bank sat there collecting dust. The client's cash position took a hit for no reason, and the opportunity was wasted. A quiet year, one small mistake, and a painful lesson it was.